Hello guys, this is my channel. I hope you guys all love it and let's start. So this is a hoopla, okay? And you see it is actually small, right? Now when I will put it over here, it should touch my back. Then you have to hold it like this. Now you have to spin this like this as fast as you can. When you spin it, you will know that how fast it is going. So let's try. It is like this. It is difficult, but you will learn. Let's start. So pay attention. Where are you putting your hoopla? Now in 3, 2, 1. That is how we do it. Bye.